Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you the best way to turn your video into an animation or change its style. So the tool that we are going to use in this video is called domo.ai. Once you go to domo.ai.app here, you can start on the website itself or go and choose the Discord like channel in order to generate the animation. And here you have the tools that you can use. Now here I will use this tool, turn your video into other styles. Now here you need to upload your video. Its size should be less than 50 megabytes and less than 60 seconds in duration. So I'll just click here to upload. I downloaded a video just for this example. And here this is like a video of a girl slowly looking at the camera. So let's upload it. And while it's uploading, let's check out the other options. So the prompt here, just describe what is happening in your video. So a girl slowly turning her head to look at the camera. This will help the AI better generate your animation. Now let's select the style. You have many styles to choose from, like anime style, fusion style, illustration, and so many styles here to choose from. So let's select a style that we like. I'll just select this one, like GTA style, and the duration I'll just keep it as 5 seconds. Okay, if my first try is for only 3 seconds. Now you can refer it to focus more on the video itself or focus more on the prompt. I'll leave it at video. Now the aspect ratio is auto. It'll take the same aspect ratio of the video. I can enable lip sync, screen keying. So some like advanced options right here. Now, since I selected all the options, just click on generate. It'll take 15 credits. Okay, and now I'll just wait for it to generate. And as you can see, you need to give it some time here because this is a process that takes a lot of computing power. And here, after like 5 or 6 minutes, it generated the video. Now, if I click on it to play it, as you can see, it did apply the style that I want into the video and created the animation. Now it's only 3 seconds. Now, if I go back here and then choose another style, let's say, for example, this anime style, I can regenerate if I want to. Of course, I need to re-upload the video and regenerate the video based on the style that I choose. Now you can go ahead and play with some different styles to generate the video that you like.